Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the ordered array section. This is shifting and unshifting. We saw that array pop and array push deal exclusively with the end of the array, the index at the length of the array minus 1. PHP also provides functions for adding and removing elements from the beginning of an array, index 0. The array shift function removes the first element of an array and returns that value. Each of the elements in the array will be shifted down an index. For example, the element that was previously at the third index will now be located at the second. Here we have adjectives: bad, good, great, fantastic. We have remove and assign to it array shift and pass in adjectives. If we echo removed, it will print bad, since it does return that first element once it removes it. When we echo implode adjectives, it's only going to print good, great, and fantastic, since bad was removed. Just like array pop, array shift reduces the length of the array and the deleted element is gone forever. The array unshift function takes an array as its first argument. The arguments that follow are elements to be added to the beginning of the array. It returns the new number of elements in the array. Here we have foods: pizza, crackers, apples, carrots. We then have rlen, which is assigned array unshift with foods passed in. And we add pasta, meatballs, lettuce. If we echo rlen now, it's going to print 7. If we echo implode foods separated by comma, we should get our list of foods. Let's practice. Let's use array and our imaginations to go on a journey through the history of the 100-meter dash. In 1991, Carl Lewis broke the record of 9.9 seconds. His record was topped in 1994 by Leroy Burrell. Next, in 1996, Donovan Bailey took the record, only to have his record usurped by Maurice Green in 1999, then Tim Montgomery in 2002. We've provided an array, record holders. Use the array unshift function to add Carl Lewis, Leroy Burrell, Donovan Bailey, Maurice Green, and Tim Montgomery to the record holders. Add the names so that older records always have higher index locations than more recent records. Note, it's not required, but you might find it helpful to periodically print your array. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass, and we do get our array printed out. 2 says, oops, Tim Montgomery's record was invalidated. Use the array shift function to remove him from the record holder's array. Let's do that now. Let's run it. We do pass, and we do see Tim Montgomery was removed. Great. Next we have Asafa Powell in 2005, followed by Justin Gatlin, in 2006. Use the array unshift function to add them to the record holders array. Let's do that now. Let's run it. We do pass, and we do get those added to the beginning of our array. 4 says Justin Gatlin's record was also invalidated. Use the array shift function to remove him from the record holders array. Let's do that now. Let's run it. We do pass, and Justin Gatlin's name was removed. 5 says, okay, last but not least, use array unshift function to add Usain Bolt to the record holders array. Let's do that now. Let's run that. We do pass, and we did add Usain Bolt. So what we're learning here is shifting and unshifting. We're able to use shift to remove the first element of an array, and when we do that, it will return that value that was removed. And then we have the unshift function, which will take an array as its first argument, and then following the first argument and separated by commas, we will add the elements that we want to add to the beginning of the array. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting shifting and unshifting arrays, and I'll see you in the next lesson.